Best herbal teas for kidney health restoration. Keeping our kidneys healthy is essential for overall well-being, as these organs filter waste, balance fluids, and regulate blood pressure. But with our busy lifestyles and high-salt, high-sugar diets, our kidneys sometimes need extra support. Herbal teas can be a gentle, natural way to help restore and maintain kidney health. They offer antioxidants, support hydration, and contain specific properties that aid kidney function. Let's explore some of the best herbal teas for kidney health and how they can boost your body's natural cleansing system. Watch until the end for tips about drinking herbal teas for kidney health. The best herbal teas for kidney health. 1. Dandelion Root Tea. Dandelion Root Tea is a powerful choice for kidney health. Often known as a natural diuretic, it helps increase urine production, which can flush out toxins and reduce the burden on the kidneys. This tea also contains antioxidants and essential nutrients like potassium, which can help maintain a healthy electrolyte balance. Drinking a cup of dandelion tea a day is a simple way to assist your kidneys in removing waste more efficiently. 2. Nettle Leaf Tea. Nettle Leaf Tea is another excellent herbal remedy for kidney health. Rich in vitamins A and C as well as iron and other minerals, it can reduce inflammation and support kidney function. Nettle acts as a mild diuretic, encouraging the kidneys to excrete waste and potentially easing symptoms of conditions like kidney stones. Nettle tea is gentle enough for regular use, making it an ideal choice for ongoing kidney support. 3. Ginger Tea. Ginger tea is popular for its warming, spicy flavor, but it also provides significant health benefits, especially for the kidneys. Ginger contains antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation, which can reduce the risk of kidney damage. It also aids digestion and can help the body clear toxins more effectively. Drinking ginger tea a few times a week is an easy way to support your kidneys while enjoying its soothing effects on digestion. 4. Parsley Tea. Parsley tea is another beneficial choice for kidney health, known for its diuretic properties. It helps to increase the flow of urine, flushing out waste and potentially reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. Parsley is also rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, which protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Enjoy a cup of parsley tea a couple of times a week to give your kidneys extra support in waste removal. 5. Corn Silk Tea. Corn silk tea is an old remedy used to support kidney health and urinary tract function. Made from the silky threads found on corn, this tea is a mild diuretic that can help reduce fluid retention. It's also known for its soothing effect on the urinary tract, which can be beneficial for those with minor urinary issues or inflammation. Corn silk tea is safe for regular use and is a gentle way to maintain kidney health naturally. 6. Hibiscus Tea. Hibiscus tea is known for its vibrant red color and tart flavor, but it also has health benefits that make it great for kidney support. Studies suggest that hibiscus can help lower blood pressure, which reduces strain on the kidneys. Additionally, hibiscus tea has natural diuretic effects, encouraging the kidneys to eliminate waste more efficiently. With high levels of antioxidants, hibiscus also protects against free radicals, promoting kidney health and overall body wellness. 7. Marshmallow Root Tea. Marshmallow root tea is soothing for the urinary tract and can help ease inflammation in the kidneys. It contains mucilage, a thick, gel-like substance that coats and soothes the urinary system, reducing irritation and potentially preventing kidney stones. Marshmallow root tea is especially helpful for those prone to urinary discomfort or kidney stone issues, making it a gentle but powerful option for kidney support. Tips for drinking herbal teas for kidney health. When using herbal teas for kidney support, it's essential to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Teas can be dehydrating if overconsumed, so balance them with water throughout the day. Also, consult a healthcare provider before adding these teas regularly to your diet, especially if you have a kidney condition, as some herbs might interact with medications. Herbal teas offer a natural, gentle way to support kidney health. By choosing teas like dandelion, nettle, ginger, and hibiscus, you can promote efficient kidney function, reduce inflammation, and protect against toxins. Drinking a variety of these teas throughout the week is an enjoyable and healthful way to help your kidneys stay strong and functional. Whether for prevention or gentle support, These herbal teas can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Check out the next video for more health tips. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel.